So you'll need half a coconut chopped into pieces like this. Then roasted rava 200 grams, 2 carrots chopped into pieces like this. We are anyway gonna grind it in a mixture jar. So chop them into bite-sized pieces so that it is easy to grind. Then next take the coconut as well. 1 small cup of sugar, which is about 100 grams. Grind it in a mixie jar. Add a pinch of salt. Keep this powdered sugar aside. Then grind this roasted rava as well. Just pulse it twice or thrice. Keep it aside. Next, add those chopped carrots. Grind it coarsely like this. Keep this aside. Next, you will be adding coconuts. Grind it coarsely. Keep that aside as well. Next, heat the kadai. I'm using an iron kadai. Add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add the chopped cashews. You can add them as whole. Fry until golden brown. Next, you'll be adding the other ingredients one by one. First, the carrots. Stir it about a minute. Next, add the coconut. You can grate it and add it also if you wish, but grinding it in a mixie jar was easier. This is supposed to be an instant sweet. So stir it about a minute. Next, add the roasted rava. This rava is already roasted, so you need not roast it for a longer time. Just stir it about 2 or 3 minutes. Finally, add the powdered sugar. Keep stirring until you feel it is coming together. I'm adding 1 tablespoon elaichi here, or cardamom, or in Tamil it's called elakka. And then you can turn off the stove once the mixture is little wet, a little moist, so that you can make laddus out of it, round balls like this. You need to tolerate the heat and make laddus. The shape will be retained only if it is a little hot, so you need to tolerate that heat. So this is an instant sweet. You can make it about in 10 minutes or so, less than that. So it will be dried up if you just keep it open in the air. So at that time you just need to stir it once again. Since it is an iron kadai, the heat is retained for a longer time. You have to stir it like this, so that it is again, little heat is there. So that's it. Your carrot laddu is ready.